Stage management simplifies your complex business workflows by centralizing every stage in one view. Gain real-time process visibility and streamline transitions with stage management. Use an intuitive interface to define and manage transitions between stages. Add user access control and define a transition plan for each stage and stage transition. Specify the criteria and conditions for the transitions between business process stages. Manage tasks, approvals, and external integrations such as document verification. Simplify decisions using expression sets that automatically assess conditions to execute or skip steps. Assign multiple stage definitions for the same client record, which reflects assignments instantly. Easily clone stage definitions and map their stages to the new definitions. Add the Record Stage Overview Lightning component to your record page to manage progress across different stages with a consolidated view. Enhance business process workflow control, save time, and drive smarter decisions. Add stage management today.